Hi. So I'm glad you've decided to start the NAD Plus protocol with us. This is going to be a life-changing drip. A lot of the benefits that you're going to see for how well your body can function will be visible over the next couple of weeks. Couple of things that I wanted to highlight and brief you on. Sometimes, in some cases, 5%, 2% cases, people feel a little bit of shivering after the drip or during the end of the drip. This is completely normal. It's nothing to worry about. It subsides on its own in about half an hour or so. If you end up feeling the shivering maybe 3-4 hours later after the drip, you can consider taking a paracetamol. One paracetamol will already be given to you towards in the middle of your drip. So it gets taken care of there itself. Paracetamol allergy, if existing, please inform our staff and nurse so they can give you a substitute or an alternative. Sometimes, in some cases, people also feel a slight uneasy feeling in the stomach or a little bit of hot flushing, also completely normal. This is only and only because maybe the drip rate is a little bit fast for you. So just inform the nurses to slow down the speed and then you'll be back to normal within seconds. So NAD plus is something that the body is used to making, not taking. We have to slowly get the body used to taking it in an IV form, which is why the intro course is structured as a 4-session course. Slowly, consistently, we're supplementing you with NAD to get your body used to it. In the first few sessions, we also give you some antihistamines. These are very similar to your anti-allergy medication like an Allegra or cetirizine, but it's IV, so the impact might be a little bit more in the sense that you might feel a little drowsy or a little sleepy for a few hours after the drip, which is completely normal. It fades off on its own. After your first few drips, later on, we won't need to give you this. Couple of the things that you need to be careful about once you do the drip. One, do not have any form of caffeine intake when you're taking the NAD protocol. For at least 24 hours, ideally you will not need caffeine. If the next day you feel like having a coffee or a green tea, that's completely fine. Do not take it after you've taken the protocol for at least 12 hours. Alcohol intake is also supposed to be avoided, at least for 48 hours after your drip. And if you're doing the intro course, for at least those 2 weeks, if possible, to be completely off alcohol, we'll see the best benefits of the drip. Food and appetite might increase. NAD drastically increases your metabolism. That does not mean you'll eat more or that you'll feel cravings or feel more hungry more often. It only means that when you're eating a meal, you might have more quantities than you normally do. In this case, stick to having cleaner, healthier proteins as well as salads. Avoid carbs and sugar. Last thing is drink lots of water. You might find yourself feeling like drinking almost 2 times or 50% more than what you normally drink. Completely normal, because your cells need it to produce that energy and make things happen. So that's about it that I needed to brief you on before you start off on the NAD protocol and incorporating NAD as an element of vitality into your lives. Sit back, relax, enjoy the drip. If anything, let one of our staff or nursing coordinators know.